Hello friends, today's topic is Introduction to C Programming Language. Under this topic we are going to learn what is programming language, aspects of programming language, types of programming language, characteristics of high level language, C programming language, where C stands, why to learn C programming language, and applications of C language. What is programming language? It is a vocabulary and set of programming rules for instructing a computer to perform a specific task. Aspects of programming language. There are three aspects of any programming language: the way it stores data, how it accomplishes input and output, and the operators it uses to transform and combine data. Types of programming language. The picture gives an idea about types of the programming language used in a computer system. CPU, Central Processing Unit of Computer, functions with machine language. Each different types of CPU has its own unique machine language. Machine language consists of binary numbers only. Remembering and using instructions written in machine language is difficult. Machine language is upgraded to assembly language. It is similar to machine language, but it is much easier to program in because it allows a programmer to substitute names for numbers. Machine and assembly language give a better machine efficiency, that is, faster program execution, but to use them, hardware knowledge is required. These are also called low-level programming language. The term programming language usually refers to high-level language such as Fortran, C, Pascal, etc. These languages have been designed to give a better programming efficiency, that is faster program development. These languages, while simple compared to human language but are more complex than the machine language the computer actually understands. Characteristics of high-level language. High-level languages have several advantages over low-level programming languages. First, easy to understand. The high-level languages are close to human languages. The instructions written in high-level languages are similar to English-like words and statements. This makes the high-level languages easy to learn and use. Second characteristics, easy to detect errors. The logic of program written in high-level languages is very simple and easy. The instructions of program are like English languages statements. In case of errors, it is very easy to detect or find and remove errors in the program. It is also easy to modify the program. Next, machine independent. The program written in high level language is machine independent. It means that program written or compiled on one type of computer can be executed on another type of computer that has different architecture. That is, a program written on a computer using Intel processor can be run on computer having Motorola processor but with a little modification. Next characteristics, programming efficient. High level languages have been designed to give a better programming efficiency, that is faster program development. Shorter program. The program written in high level language is shorter than the program written in low level language. A single instruction of a program written in high level language may be equivalent to many instructions of low level programming language. Availability of library functions. Every high level language provides a large number of built-in functions. called library function that can be used to perform a specific task during designing of new programs. That is, to compute the square root of a number, the programmer can use available built-in function without writing its own code. The way of writing a program reduces the development time of a program. Well-defined syntax and standard. Every high-level language has standard syntax. The standard is approved or established by international organizations. The most popular organization is ANSI, American National Standard Institute. The translator programs are written according to the standard syntax of the language. Therefore, high-level languages describe a well-defined way of writing a program. Source code is understandable by another program. Why? The instructions of program written in high-level language are like English language statements. These are written according to standard syntax of the language. Therefore, a computer programmer can easily understand a program written by another programmer. C programming language. C is a general purpose procedural imperative computer programming language developed in 1972 by Dennis M. Ritchie at the Bell Telephone Laboratories to develop the Unix operating system. It is named C because many features of C were derived from an earlier language called B. It is the most widely used computer language. It keeps fluctuating at number 1 scale of popularity along with Java programming language, which is also usually popular and most widely used among modern software programs. Where C stands. Let us now see how C compares with other programming languages. All the programming languages can be divided into two categories. Problem-oriented languages are high-level languages. These languages have been designed to give a better programming efficiency, that is faster program development. Examples of language falling in this category are Fortran, C, Pascal, etc. Machine-oriented languages are low-level languages. These languages have been designed to give a better machine efficiency, that is faster program execution. Examples of languages falling in these categories are machine language and assembly language. C stands between these two categories. That's why it is often called a middle level language, since it was designed to have both a relatively good programming efficiency as compared to machine-oriented languages and relatively good machine efficiency as compared to problem-oriented languages. C is called middle-level language does not mean that C is less powerful, harder to use, or less developed than a high-level language such as BASIC or Pascal. Nor does it imply that C has the cumbersome nature of assembly language. Rather, C is thought of as a middle-level language because it combines the best elements of high-level language with the control and flexibility of assembly languages. Why to learn C programming? C programming language is a must for students and working professionals to become a great software engineer, especially when they are working in software development domain. C programming language has following importances. It is robust language and has rich set of built-in functions, data types and operators which can be used to write any complex program. Programs written in C are efficient due to availability of several data types and operators. It has the capabilities of an assembly language low level features with the feature of high level language, so it is suited for both writing system software and application software. It is highly portable language, that is code written in one machine can be moved to other machine is a very important and powerful feature. It supports low-level features like bit-level programming and direct access to memory using pointer, which is very useful for managing resource efficiently. C has high-level constructs and it is more easier friendly as its syntaxes approaches to English-like language. Applications of C language. Initially, C language was used for developing operating systems, but in recent years, C has been used as general purpose language because of its popularity. Some important applications of C language might be in the development of operating systems. Using C programming language, operating system can be written. Most popular operating systems like Microsoft's Windows kernel, Linux kernel, and Apple's OS X kernel are mostly written in C language. Second, language compilers. Compilers are computer programs which are used to translate high-level language to machine language. Most of modern programming language compilers are made in C language. Even part of C compiler is written in C language. There is one popular line about this. C language is written in C language and C compiler is used to compile C language. Language interpreter. Interpreter are also computer programs used to translate high-level language to machine-level language. C language can be used to create language interpreters. Different programming language interpreters like Python interpreter, MATLAB interpreter, etc. are written in C language. Assemblers. Assemblers are computer programs which are used to translate assembly language to machine language. GNU assembler is written in next text editor. Different text editor like Vim, Gedit are written in C language. Drivers. C programming language is used to write different driver software like network driver, keyboard driver, mouse driver, etc. Database program. The world's most popular database software including Oracle, PostgreSQL, MySQL, etc. are written in C language. Embedded systems. In our day-to-day life, we use different embedded systems. Embedded systems like coffee maker, microwave, climate control system, etc. are most likely programmed in C language. So these were the topics that we were to discuss. Till next topic, bye and have a nice day.